Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in glacier white and comes in the driver's edition trim. Part of this trim level are the color-coded bumpers with integrated LED daytime running lights and fog lights, gloss black power fold mirrors, new design 10-spoke wheel trims, rear parking sensors with a flush-mounted rear view camera, and a load-through hatch in the rear of the cabin. At the back you have a full metal bulkhead with wood ply lining over the panels and the doors, 6 anchorage points over the floor to secure all your cargo, and size-wise it's 122 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 134 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive 244 centimeters of fully usable floor space. In the cabin you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, which is also equipped with a really comfortable slimline design armrest, and then a 2-seat bench for the passengers, with the middle seat also fitted with a picnic table of the new design with a really comfortable document holder, and it pivots to extend and give you a really useful work surface and also another document holder. As it is the driver's edition, the vehicle is also fitted with passenger airbag, and you also have really extensive storage solutions over the passenger side, plus one on top of the dashboard. Once you take position at the driver's seat, you have an adjustable in height and depth steering wheel, which is also fitted with automatic headlights as part of the driver edition kit, cruise control stalk, and wipers, again automatic thanks to the driver edition. A bit further down you have the volumetric alarm toggle and also a dial to adjust the height of the main beam, while over to the driver armrest you have the power fold mirrors and power window control. The dashboard is fitted with 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. And then for the infotainment you have a Citroen NAC unit with DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, plus navigation powered by TomTom, which also supports the option for connected navigation with real-time information for traffic and diversions. Another interesting tidbit of the driver edition kit is the option to have the exclusive design red theme for the full infotainment system, which gives it a more sporty design. As I mentioned before, then you also have DAB radio, Bluetooth, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB. Just below you can find all the controls for the air conditioning, plus the heated mirrors toggle, center locking unit and rear lock toggle, 12-volt port, USB Type A, a really useful parcel shelf, and this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch panel van in driver's edition. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.